welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is speaking about this issue that he thinks is, a very big issue. He's saying that basically that people are taking sides with people, and the people that they're taking sides with are doing a lot of things. And he's saying that, basically people should not stay neutral anymore. They should come and speak their minds about what they think is going on here in social media. So guys, go ahead and catch the video, see what Dwayne has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, I just want to wish you a wonderful day. Keep your beautiful smile on your face and refuse to let anyone take that away from you. Remember, you're the one who gives them the power to take your smile away. And guys, just have yourself a wonderful day because what? You have one life to live. Live it all today.
Do people some things just for look of views and look of likes and look of shares. What does that say about us as people? What does it say about you? Me realize now for una keep on siding with the oppressors. I mean, like, yo, because una choose to remain neutral. What kind of message una sending out in the world? How una making people looking at una as human beings who we should be out here empathizing and sympathizing with each other when una have people like them here, like majesty in the world and the great people. So feel like likes and views and shares. When it's wicked. Enough of you rile was in that comments is wicked women. In fact, on a dog. Enough of you women in that royals comments who was doing that woman, want to do the woman on a shit house. Someone on a mama should have queeze on the neck when that come out and cratch, and they don't know. Cause uno come out in the world, wanna come out in the world and become a wicked set of human beings. Wicked. What did that woman do to Uno? Uno make her look as the woman con thief on Uno. And maybe, me I say, maybe a promo kind of want to promote love and cake. Me say I'm come up and woman. I must that. I chat shit, I must that. I must that. I must promo for promo love and cake because the first thing when come up with a loaf and cake. I'm gonna taste the cake. I taste the cake. Okay, great. Enjoy the cake. So why in the same if you enjoy loaf and cake, you I taught them something about one woman who have a disabled child and I realize say then again, yes, some good things now. Me not gonna beat it too much. You say some good things, but in the same breath, you I did the woman, so what does that say about you? What does that say about you, sir? Oh, God, give me strength. Hey, you know what I say? Every day, I am disappointed in I so much. I'm disappointed in people so much more. When I tell lie, I make me shame. I make me shame and look at Jamaica. I make me shame. And I'm down to enough on a woman and man, but I want to go along with and I treat people like them a dog. I want to better than people. I make me shame. I make me shame of Jamaica. And because the people like about here, I'm at the island, I get the island a really bad and nasty name. I'm not care of the truth. Of the truth. We're going to hear something when you say. I'm wanting to tell me if what a man I say was the right thing for him to say. Hold on there. I can find it. I'm just all the kind of cuss me here. I don't care. I don't give one ras if you want cuss. Cuss away, cause then again, you're old man and you soon kick the bucket. You soon kick the fucking bucket and me nah ask me I tell you soon kick the bucket because you're old man. You understand? And if I know all fall on the soon kick the bucket too because una really become a friend in the world we live in. And me can't wait for the fun to kick the bucket so we can be at fucking peace. I swear to God. Una need to go. Una need to go and come out of the world and stop making the world so wicked. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice. Why are we so wicked to each other? And why are you a disabled mother? And I want to come ridicule the woman too in the process. You ridicule her. Like say you can push up pitney. I used to find a woman when no say, oh no push up pitney. Uno is a disgrace to womanhood. Uno is a disgrace to womanhood. You don't see. If you don't see already, you're not going to see it again. Because right about now, uno eyes have been covered by this cult-like following thing. And then uno keep on orient people in a fold. And the people is coming on board, not even know where I go on, and come on board, and then they get trapped in a fuckery. Understand? Era. Tell me something is not wrong with this on the era. Hold on.
Connected.
And you know, say, me not putting it out until I get 100 people. When I'm ready, let me know. When I'm ready, let me know. In fact, me not put it till I get 150 people. When I'm ready, let me fucking know. Cause darling, I don't know one of the pan. I'm not. I don't depend one of the pan. Anything on the pan, wanna sort it out. Sort it out. When the share the light, do what I have to do, and so we can get tonight. When I get from bad to worse. When I get from bad to blood clean worse. I swear to God. Bad to worse. Because I'm not kissing the dark people them bad you one. I'm going to near about them bad time do all I know. And that's the figure do. When on the way to let me know you here. I for the one who can't come back panic. We can't stop it, let's come back. Cause darling, I don't depend on the pan. Cause I don't come back go like say. When I want to take you for a big stinking pussy wall about here. Me a pussy wall and must that rascal. Me a pussy wall. Me a real pussy wall though. And we don't laugh, girl. Me swear to God, more enough for them just drop out. They feel just drop out and just kick the bucket. ASAP, man, cause they get my fucking nerves. I swear to God, them is making the world too wicked and bitter and they're just hateful. You know what I'm saying? And we don't, oh yeah, laugh for, stop laughing, stop laughing, cause it don't funny. A real thing I talk about, a real thing. Real thing I'm talking about. It's not nice. Dwayne now make me drape your shirt till you can't cuss everyone. No! Me not cuss everybody, me I cuss them. Them who are try to catch up with them fucking cold fuckery. Them for go away. Them for go away. All of them for go away. If there's a part of the cult, don't come over here. Do not come over here because I don't like you. I want to like me. I don't like you. I don't like you. So don't come over here. You understand? Don't come. In fact, all cult members, I can put it in my last caption. All cult members stay off my blood clot line. Don't come for live. I want to come with black, you know. Don't pass in the place. I put it in my caption. All cult members, don't come over here. Yes. Same, sir. Cult members, don't come. It sounds like you're roughing us up. Never friend. I'm careful now. Cut friend never uno. Cut friend never uno. Not you people. Me attack the cult members them. Don't come over here. Do not come on. It's not from today. Don't come to my page. Wanna stay on the fucking yard. Stay on the yard, cult people. Stay over there. And don't come over here. I'ma mean it. I mean it, panic God, I love to. Don't come. Because, I've continued to show on the self and show on the hands them. And I'm tired of and every time, don't come. Just don't come. Me I beg don't come. If you're a cult member, don't come. If you're one of Majesty or Dana follower, not come over here. Uncle Sam, who said them is not called. Don't come. Especially Majesty one them, don't come. Alright. I don't care if I'm not telling you. And don't come back and pass in the place, because I'm black on you. One more out black on you. Oh, Tyler. Anyway, me could just go in the way, because I want to hear this, right? And want to tell me where you think wrong, if something, tell me something wrong with this or not, right? May I ask another question? Is something wrong with what you said? Yes, sir. All right. You, come here.
I wanted to, but we can't go visit Azzy again. I will get me the 2 naked video them where me get. I see. That's how your pum pum fat though, you know.
So you're gonna tell me, say, him a talk about the people them who help him to help the disabled mother, right? Him going know. Him a talk about the people them who help him to help the disabled mother, the one who Jamaica with the disabled picnic, right? Then now, him in the same breath, him gonna talk, say, him get two video of the woman, naked video of the woman and her pum pum fat. And I ridicule the woman. Oh, it gone from you talk about donation. You start to talk about the woman crutches. How? And uno know something wrong with them, something I don't know whether a kiki like that something funny. What if this woman was on a mother or a sister? What if this woman was an auntie? I saw that kiki because they try to report me. They try the life fine. They try to report me. What if this woman was on a mother or on an auntie or on a sister? I saw that kiki like it funny. Only hear when say. I'll tell me if something wrong with this. Hear when say, go back. Make her go back.
Firmly, I wanted to, but we can't go visit Azzy. I will get me the 2 naked video them where me get. I see.
I will get me the 2 naked video where me get. You're talking about donation. You say the donors them said they want about their money, right? And they have a set in the same video. Oh, you know there about that. You don't know about that. All right, cool. I understand. I understand that part. I respect that part. You say you're not there for try to get the money. And bear in mind, only if I understand that the woman never begging $1. And him come out and put you out in the world and say, yo, I could try to help that woman. I could try to help because of X, Y, and Z. All right, cool. Want to do a good thing. Oh, we gone from, you're talking about donations, right? And the woman man, to you go get naked video of the woman. You're talking about the woman pum pum. You see her pussy wall. Imagine you see her big nasty Batman pussy wall. I mean, I care Go call police. You love call police. You're police preggy. Go call police. That's all I can do. Call police. You're a pussy one. Why you talk with the woman front for? Oh, you're jealous you don't have a pussy? You must jealous you don't have a crutches. I must that. I can't nothing else. I can't nothing else, Baba. You cannot nothing else. You talk about say you have 2 naked video of the woman. How did a naked video come in the conversation? Even so, even if you get naked video of the woman, people don't laugh. This is not funny. Am I ridiculing woman? How it go from yeah, talk about the donation and the donor they want about their money. Whatever. I say you're not talking about the money. Alright, cool, I understand. I understand very well. I want to report my video. Don't report my video. Stop showing my video. Because I'm going to chat regarding, I'm going to talk. So, alright, say you get 2 naked video of the woman. Why did that come out of your mouth on social media? Why you talk about it? Why you chose to die with that blouse and skirt? We're good. Are we good? Somebody said, somebody talk. We're good or we're not good? Which is it? My alarm go off the while. Now, but fun and jokes aside, people. Fun and jokes aside. This is a grown man. A man who's never pushed out a child a day in his life. You're not only talking about the woman, a man. Alright, cool, she have a man, a fair front. The same way you can have husband and your husband and dig out your bottom. The same way you have a husband and dig out your bottom. Anybody trouble your husband and dig out your bottom? Is anyone worried about your husband and dig out your bottom? No. That is not people's business. That is no one's business. Whether she want to have man and that is fair business. Why you choose to compare like contract with a woman and a man? Alright, you're not talk this, you don't talk this. You're going to go for a listen and talk about see you're naked with a woman. You don't see a pussy wall. You're a pussy wall, my youth. You're a pussy wall. You're wicked. I have woman over there like it's funny. What is funny about that? What's funny about that? I'm to that thing here. That is the Wi-Fi now work. We're good. Them a report me. I like to go and them a report me. The dog them a report me. When I look upon them. On the report away and have a good time, have a jolly good old time. I look on my live actually. I look on my friggin' live. But I look on my live. What I go on there so. I have a friend, I'm careful now. Them a report me live. When you're lucky, report away, have fun, because it's not coming down. It is not coming down. It is not coming down. It's not coming down. I make you say, I write my caption good. Alright. I can fix the cold part. Because maybe they can't forgive me for that part, yeah. Much better caption. Alright. I'm not going to trouble that now. Go trouble that now. Because I love to go shut down on a dead wall. On a dead of a Batman body. On a big woman. Not for a big woman. Not for a mama. Some other grandmama like a Leon ass full over there. With the old tough term itself. Right? Me so no. So now tell me say. On help the woman.